The assembly sequence determines how parts locate to one another and in what order. In 3DCS, a move defines how a part is located in space. Moves are added to the model to represent each step in the build process. A move reflects how the variation of the locating features is transmitted through to a product. In the nominal CAD, parts are in their correct positions but without a defined relationship to one another or information about the order in which they were assembled. Moves establish this relationship and order. Most moves represent the attachment of one part to another. The features that attach parts are also known as locators. Both CAD features and points in space can be used as locators. Ideally, the GD&T datum features will be the locators for the move. This way, the locators will be theoretically perfect and drive the variation to non-critical areas of the part.